Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about C programming language. Overview of C. C is developed by Dennish Ritchie in 1970. C is a structural programming language. C supports functions that enables easy maintainability of code by breaking large file into smaller modules. Comments in C provides easy. C is a powerful language. This is a programming structure. A simple C program has include studio.h, enter main, and this is the main function. So this is header file. The files that are specified in the include section is called as header file. These are precompiled files that has some functions defined in them. We can call those functions in our program by supplying parameters. Header file is given an extension .h. C source file is given an extension .c. So this is header file. Include is header file. This is standard input and output. This is main function. So let's go. Main function. This is the entry point of program. In this previous slide, I have talked about main function. Yes, this is main function. So let's go. This is the entry point of a program. When a file is executed, the start point is the main function. From main function, the flow goes as per the programmer's choice. There may or may not be other functions written by user a program. Main function is compulsory for any C program. Write the first program. Hello or hello world, whatever you want to write. So let's go in code blocks. You have already know about code blocks. Code blocks is a compiler who will compile a program. Okay, let's go code block software. Okay, now open code blocks. Then go file, open, not open, then go file, new, empty file. Then you can press Ctrl S or file, save file as, give here any name, sogib dot c. Obviously it will be .c, then save. Yes, yes. Now we'll type our first program. Hash include stdio.h, enter main, then printf hello world, then return 0. After writing this code, you will press this sign or yes, this sign, build and run, or press in keyboard F9. Yes, this is our first program, hello world. You can write here anything what you want, like I will show you my name, SAROARZAZANSOGIB. So then build and run. This is Sarwajan Sojib. Okay. In the section hash include studio.h, this is our header file. Enter main, this is our main function, and in this main function printf will print something. And last thing is return 0. Why I have used return 0? Return 0 means the program execution. End. This program will be end here. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new update. Thank you.